Hi guys, it's Jaden from Saskatoon Truck Center. This is stock number 5273P. It's a 2020 Ford Transit cargo van with 171K. This one is your mid-roof and 148 wheelbase option. 2020's got that newer updated interior. In the back, again, mid-roof. So it is nice. You can get up in here and you can kind of walk around. You do have to hunch down a little bit, but it is quite a bit more comfortable to walk around in here. Shelving on the driver's side all the way down. Some tank storage in the middle. And then there's some shelving in the passenger side here as well. Up top, we've got a hydraulically assisted drop-down ladder rack on both sides, actually. So you can put one ladder on either side and drop them right down for you. Again, shelving on both sides. And this one's got, it's 11 feet from the bulkhead to the back door, so you can put, 10-foot lengths of pipe in there. And then there's plenty of room for furnaces, water heaters, air conditioners, cable, whatever else you might be lugging to and from your site. Again, drop down ladder rack on the driver's side as well. Power windows, power door locks, power mirrors. And there is air conditioning in here as well. And Bluetooth. This one's got vinyl seats. It also does have a little storage cubby up top for paperwork or whatever else might be lugging around. So anywhere from general contractors to electrical contractors, plumbing and heating contractors, HVAC people, having a nice mid-roof van like this would definitely make your job a lot easier. Again, stock number 5273, a 2020 Ford Transit cargo van.